So we kind of moved to Panama City Beach. I'm gonna get a job here. I don't even have a job yet. Monday I have a couple interviews with a couple local places, an HVAC field, and blah blah. Here's a view of our outdoor, walking out our front door and of our balcony out front, and then a side view of the pool. Basically right outside our door. Just go along this hallway here. Whoop. That hallway there. And probably about right there is a door. Goes back in our place. Here we are. This is Pineapple Willie's. Follow us. We're working on the roof. First day I've been with the gimbal, and I'm really blowing it. I'm going to take you downstairs on the beach. See how that looks. Weirdos. This place is right across the street from us. I'm not even sure the name of it. It's freaking humongous. Yeah, they got a nice pool over here and a putting green too. Right up there. We got our Walmart straight across the way there. Let me take you downstairs by the beach. Yep, we're putting together a puzzle. Rosie girl. It is a puzzle about books.
Crap. Goes right
That's what you do, I guess, when you're like semi-retired. I gotta work, but
you don't have
Rose,
to work yet.
I'm off for probably a little bit.
There's still some Miami Vice stuff, Brian.
I'm gonna hit me up with a little Miami Vice, and here is our balcony view and sunset. All right, Jenny and I are taking the cart to Walmart, getting a few things.